I speak the name of Jesus over you.
Yeah.
In your heart and in your sorrow, I will ask my God to move.
Baby girl.
I speak the name, 'cause it's all that I can do. In desperation, I'll seek heaven and pray this for you. I pray for your healing, that circumstances would change. I pray that the fear inside would flee in Jesus' name. I pray that a breakthrough would happen today. I pray miracles over your life in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. Ooh, in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. I pray for your healing. I pray for your restoration.